All right, guys, so today we're going to go over our two solid structures. First being our solid non-insulated. You can kind of see that profile right there, right? And then we have our solid insulated. Aluminum skin on the top, 3-inch foam core, and aluminum skin on the bottom. So the first product is probably our most popular here on the West Coast. This is our solid non-insulated. It's a flat pan. So I would say about 80% of our customers end up with a non-insulated. They snap together real easy. They interlock with these locking channels. So from the bottom side, both of these look kind of similar. And I would say this just does such a good job of protecting you, getting you straight out of that sun's heat, deflecting the sun off and providing shade underneath. Same as kind of like umbrella, but nicer and more of a permanent structure. So that's our solid non-insulated. Our solid insulated, a lot of customers out, like let's say in Texas, that have like hail, they love this product because it has this dense foam core that's going to keep it from dinging up, or like a hailstorm, or if you live by a golf course. You can imagine all these different options. Now, the solid insulated is a walkable surface. That is a benefit if you have a 2-story home. You can walk on the non-insulated. It's not recommended as much, by spreading a piece of wood and distributing your weight with that wood on the top up near the house. So again, they both effectively do the same job. That gets you out of the sun. So you got to kind of weigh in based on pricing as well, because this is about 30–40% more than the solid non-insulated. You got to weigh in the benefits of each product. So I hope that helped you guys out today. Let us know if you have any more questions. Thank you very much.